Well, good morning. We are in Banff. There's Renee. I'm blocking her out a little bit. So we thought we'd come to Banff today. Renee's family's in town, and we also thought we'd head up Sulphur Mountain. There's a gondola that comes up here. We're doing the hike today. It's not very long. It's like, I don't know, 5.5 kilometers one way, and not sure what kind of vertical, maybe 600 meters. We'll figure that out when we get to the top, and we wanted to show you what it looked like from the top. So hopefully the weather holds. It's been pretty good so far, but we'll check back and let you know how things are going.
Here we are, we made it to the top. It's a little foggy, a little chilly, but hey, we made it, and it's always a great day when you can get out into the mountains. So thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.